Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to change auto screen off time to 15 seconds when the power saving mode is on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here in battery, okay, you can see the power saving mode is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the power saving mode. And you can see here the power saving mode, and on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To turn on the power saving mode, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So okay guys, to change the auto screen off time to 15 seconds when the power saving mode is on, okay, you'll have to do is go to default optimization. And you can see here in recommended, the change auto screen off time to 15 seconds. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to change the auto screen off time to 15 seconds, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed auto screen off time to 15 seconds when the power saving mode is on in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.